we can see the joy and the celebration all over the air in this part of the Niger Delta for the singular reason of the award of this project. Because of the economic importance of this project, we want to appeal to them that this project must be adequately funded.
Recently, the League of Maritime Editors, they publicly condemned the comments contributed by Sanwo Olu, Lagos State Governor, arguing that he had criticized the efforts of the Nigeria Ports Authority to deepen or expand operations to southeastern and south-south ports. I posted a video about this some days ago. Sanwo Olu is not happy that they want to open a Warri. According to maritime sector media, the Lagos State Governor under Sanwo Olu has rejected or at least pushed back against what is described as an MPA plan to shift operations from Lagos Ports Apapa to Warri Ports Complex and other ports outside Lagos. The argument from Sanwo Olu's side, expressed by his special assistant on logistics and transportation in Lagos, he said that his argument is that Lagos ports are not the problem. Instead, that the root issues are policy failures, corruption, inefficiency at MPA, and mismanagement of ports logistics, e-collop systems, tolls, struck queues, favoritism that causes congestion. So they're trying to make excuses as to why there is congestion in Lagos port, and that is not Lagos state government fault. Because of this, shifting focus to Warri or other non-Lagos ports is seen by Lagos officials as a band-aid or diversion that is not solving the underlying problem but shifting the burden elsewhere. But Sanwo Olu, we know that you are just trying to beat about the bush. You are not happy that they want to open the seaport in Warri just because of the fact that you want everything to be in Lagos. Like they say, Lagos is not the be it and end all of Nigeria. Every other part of the country has to develop. Guys, let me know what you think about it. Do you think that they should open up the Warri seaport to be fully functional alongside that of Lagos seaports, or do you think that we should have just a Lagos seaport? What is the effect do you think this is going to have on the economy of every other part of the country? Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next video.